Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I will show you how to quickly create an interactive poll right inside your TikTok comment section to boost your video engagement. First, open the TikTok application, go to your profile, and select the specific video post where you want to gather feedback. Open up the post comment section, tap on the Add Comment Input field, and look for the native poll graph icon on the menu bar. Type your primary question directly into the setup box, and then fill out your voting choices underneath. Keep in mind that TikTok allows you to build up to 5 unique voting options for your viewers. Next, select your expiration timeline, choosing between 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, or leaving it open indefinitely. Hit the post arrow to send it live. TikTok will automatically pin your interactive poll directly to the very top of the comment interface so your audience can seamlessly submit votes, track live results, or adjust their choice if they tap the wrong option. You will receive standard notifications directly in your system inbox whenever a new vote registers. And that is it.